How do you want to catch her? Catch her in this, baby. Catch her in
They
this.
don't have the net here somewhere?
Wow, ya me he ido.
Ay, pobrecita.
Ty jo, zachraňujeme ještěrku. To je blázen. Táta se jí trošku taky bojí asi. Ježíš Maria.
Ah, life.
No tak to je
They
teda.
cannot swim, no?
They cannot swim, clearly they cannot swim.
She's okay now. She's alive. I think so.
Ježkovi zraky, to je tele.
Also the temperatures, they are... Well, I hope she will survive. She needs sun now. To
Děláš
warm up.
video? Děláš video?
No dělám video, no. No tak to nevím teda, jestli je
I didn't
živá.
know they couldn't swim. I could swear they swim.
No to teda nevím. No. To teda nevím, jak dopadne ještěrka.
Tak teda tele.
Tady vylítla.
She's alive.
She's alive, říká tatínek.
She has to rest, a lot
No,
of sun, and then she will be okay.
to je tele. Tady vylítla, skočila do vody a šla ke dnu rovnou. Frajerka. Do you want to film her from the close?
Why you cannot? You're like
I don't
scared?
want to go. I don't. No, you take the phone.
Oh yeah.
You take the phone there for a little bit and then
But she's breathing, eh?
the video is on the way.
Oh yeah, she open eyes now.
Ty se na něm nechtěl šáhnout.
Nic neudělám, to je dobrý. To je dobrý.
Tak. You know what happened? The cat had her.
Cože?
The black kitten hunted her.
No,
And Leos did this with the water,
No.
escape, and the poor guy managed to escape.
no.
And that's why she jumped desperate into the water. I mean, she just wanted to run away and found the water, but that's how it happened.
No.
The cat had her like, it was
No.
like playing
No.
with it.
No.
It's gonna be okay. This one.
Panenko skákavá. Já kdybych tu byla sama, tak ji ani neumím vyndat z toho bazénu. Ještě, že tatínek to umí. No to jsou zážitky teda. To jsou zážitky, chudák ještěrka.
I don't know if it's gonna survive. It has water in the lungs, I think, but cannot do anything else. I didn't know these things couldn't swim. I would say they would just swim, propellers style.